you can create this kind of high-quality videos for 100% free? I want to show you exactly how you can achieve this kind of results without spending a dime. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. So all you need to do is just hit try for free. And we're just going to get into the interface. So you can create your video from a text, and it can either be SD or HD. And you can also choose to animate your image. You also have an option to repaint a video that you have. And also you can see they have another feature that's coming soon where you'll be able to expand the length of your video. So now down here, you can input your prompt, and you can also choose whether your creations are public or not. Then you also have an option to choose an SD or HD that is either 2 seconds for HD or 4 seconds for SD. And you also have an option to actually generate a video from a scene. So basically, what that means is that you'll be able to generate a series of video from one parent video, if I may say. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is just going to input a prompt, and you're going to start generating our images, and you're going to see how these are going to actually turn out. As they're generating, we're just going to explore what other creators have made. So you can just scroll down on the Explore page, and you can just go through all the videos that are available. And if you happen to meet a video that you like, you can just click on it, and you'll be able to actually see the prompt that was just to create the video. And you also have an option to actually copy the seed and generate your videos from that. So now we're just going back to our video. As you can see, here's our first video. Now that actually looks really good. As you can see the reflections in the water, the movement of the water, like everything looks so real, like this is a really high quality video. Now we are going to input a different prompt, and we are going to choose one of the video styles up there. And here is our video. This is just so good. Just look at the quality of the video, like this is absolutely amazing. So now what I want to do is that I'm going to copy the exact prompt that I used. And I'm going to use a different style for the same video. And you're just going to hit create instead of steampunk. We're going to go with Disney Pixar style. So let's see how that turns out to be. And as you can see, this is amazing, like the quality of the video is just so good. Now that is for the HD. So let's try the same exact prompt with HD, which gives us exactly 4 seconds. So let's see how that one will turn out. Now the colors in HD may feel actually a bit more vivid. But let's just look at this, and you can see that the quality is actually just as good. I hope you learned something new, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.